The Identicard NDE wireless lock integration offers advanced door control for wireless lock with NDE technology. The system controls in unlimited doors, makes it easy to define locked and user assignment schedule, includes a full-feature credential management system, integrates with leading video manufacturers, and has full and detailed auditing reports. From a single workstation, Identicard NDE provides easy system management for all of your NDE locks from across campus to across the country. Please contact Champion Lock & Safe for any questions at 210-590-6033.